Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. LeGrand here for another video here at Nature's Health Clinic, and I'm going to talk about what are my top 3 things that I use to help kids with ADHD with using for helping improve focus. I grew up with ADHD, so I used this a lot while going through school. Schooling was very challenging for me, but I got through medical school, so I was able to do it. So if I could do it, certainly these things can help with either your kids or for yourself, because adults also suffer with ADHD, and these are the 3 things that I use consistently that really helped me. So the first one is to look at some types of herbs that actually can help improve circulation into the brain. So I guess it's not just 3 things, but these 2 actually are kind of what I kind of intertwine together, and that is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a great herb that actually does increase blood flow to the brain, helps with focus, as well if your kid is suffering with headaches like I did growing up with ADHD. That did hinder a lot on my learning, and that can also help with headaches and migraines, and a lot of kids with ADHD tend to have that. The other thing also that kind of goes along with that is rosemary, but I would say using the essential oil of rosemary. I used this while I was studying. This actually helps with improve retention and memory as you are learning. So I always had, a diffuser in the background while I was at college or also in medical school to help enhance my learning and retaining and retention, because that also increases blood flow to the brain. So definitely start using this in your child's room, or for yourself if you're in college, or anything else if you suffer from ADHD. These are things that you can start implementing. So the second thing that I do want to address that I also helped me significantly is looking at adrenal support. Adrenals tend to be a big issue with kids with ADHD because adrenals run a lot of different stress hormones. Kids with ADHD tend to deal with lots of different stress, not just dealing with attention or behavioral issues, but also anxiety, depression, things like that can be hindering for their learning and focusing. And so supporting the adrenals, something like adrenal desiccation, can really, really benefit somebody with ADHD to be able to help also with focus, because that could be hindering having to be able to pay attention in school and retaining memories, things like that can be very beneficial. The last thing I want to kind of emphasize, as far as the third thing that I do highly emphasize that helped me a lot, is trying to focus on getting good amounts of minerals and nutrients in the body on a consistent basis. If you can't get, food, doing through Whole Foods for kids, I know that can be very difficult, is trying to do something that has lots of minerals, such as a pill that has lots of different minerals, nutrients, such as like even just things that have collagen, bone minerals, stuff like that can actually implement, because our body does rely a lot off of minerals and also different electrolytes. So trying to get a combination of those 2 things can go a long way with helping with focus and attention. So I hope this really helped you guys. If you have any further questions about ADHD, that is what we are trying to do every week. I'm trying to do it, Tuesdays and Thursdays, doing health tips on not just ADHD, but here at Nature's Health Clinic, to answer you guys' questions and questions you guys might have. So leave that in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.